PRC, quality service since 1972. Repairing TVs, console stereos, electronic musical instruments, pinball machines, arcade games, and more. Call 836-0454.
This is the afternoon edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Wednesday the 13th. Cold is the word. Snow flurries out there this morning. Let's go to some Skycam shots. This image was captured this morning coming from the Coleman Skycam about 8 or 9 o'clock. And notice how the roof on that building over there is white from snow flurries and snow showers, little convective bands of snow in the cold, unstable air this morning. But all of that is pretty much over here at mid-afternoon. There's a look at Birmingham, looking right down 20th Street from the top of the Daniel Building. And from Hamilton, the skies become mostly sunny, the clearing progressing along nicely. In fact, there's a look at the visible satellite imagery as of 2 o'clock this afternoon. And you can see that much of West Alabama is now bathed in sunshine. The clouds are hanging tough on the eastern side of the state, but the clearing will progress along throughout the day, and most everybody will be clear by the evening. And that's going to set the stage for a cold night tonight. There's the big picture. There's that strong trough rotating through here. Very cold air aloft, making the air unstable, even though the air near the surface is pretty cold as well, obviously. But the big batch of rain we had last night, that's well to the east, and snow up there in New England. Winter storm issues there. And our new system is showing up way out there in the northwestern part of the country. We'll be focusing on that in the days ahead. That's our weekend storm. And there's a look at the temperatures. Boy, what a cold air plunge at 1 o'clock this afternoon. Readings in the upper 20s in North Alabama. Considerably warmer or colder than parts of Colorado and Kansas, where they've got that warm air tongue there in advance of our next storm. And again, the air up over Canada is just brutally cold. And we're catching just a little smidgen of that air mass, but after tonight, we'll warm up in a hurry. There's the QPF map. This is the expected rain across the country for the next 5 days. This is valid through Monday morning at 6 o'clock, and the guys have pulled the heaviest rain axis back off to the west in response to a slower-moving system. That's probably a good idea. That's showing the 3.9-inch bullseye out there around Tyler and Longview, Texas. And around here, it's suggesting rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches with what falls this weekend. And most of that will probably come on Sunday. And on Sunday, the guys at the Storm Prediction Center have defined a severe weather risk for about the southern half of Alabama. And they might have to pull that thing northward if we keep these trends of the surface low developing farther north. Let's get right to model output. This is the 12Z run of the GFS, valid at noon tomorrow, Thursday. The wave that brought the cold today and the rain last night, that's moving off the New England coast. The next one is digging down into the southwest United States. And at the surface, we're in between. So it's going to be a sunny day. Should be hard to find a cloud in the sky. Very cold in the morning, especially in those valleys. We could see some folks maybe in the upper teens. We'll look at average lows between 20 and 25. Then we'll warm up to near 60 tomorrow with bright sunshine. It'll be a different kind of day. Now, Friday, we'll watch that upper low that's over the southwest United States. And at the surface on Friday, in advance of that, there's a band of showers northwest of the state. I think Friday will be dry. We'll probably see some increase in clouds. But the day will be dry, and really, I think, even though a shower might creep in here Friday night or Saturday, it's going to be Sunday before the big event happens. As I look at Saturday, that thing is out there. It's still south of El Paso. And at the surface, we've got this sliver of rain moving into Alabama. And there's no doubt we will mention a chance of showers on Saturday, but still, the heaviest and most organized rain is off to the west. And then Sunday, the trough goes negative tilt through the Mississippi Valley, begins to phase with the northern trough. And at the surface at midday Sunday, the surface low is now near Memphis, 1,000 millibars. And that would put more of the state in the warm sector. You know, the run we showed you this morning had that thing near Tupelo. If that northward adjustment continues, we'll have to think a chance of severe weather statewide Sunday. 6 o'clock Sunday evening, the surface low moves to eastern Kentucky. The storms begin to move out of the state and over into Georgia. So for Sunday, we'll highlight rain and strong, maybe severe storms. And then Monday of next week, the phasing is complete. Look at that big, deep trough. And I think Monday will be just like today. Have a hard time getting out of the 30s, maybe some morning flurries. Almost exactly the same type situation there. So very cold on Monday of next week. And then Tuesday, Will be way below freezing in the morning, but will start to rebound with a high probably up there in the low 50s on Tuesday. Let's go trolling. 5 more days. This is the 24th. Nice looking trough to the west. That would suggest a nice, healthy round of showers and storms. And at the end of the forecast period, the 29th, hey, this is leap year. 29 days in February this year. Trough north of us, and again, another round of showers and storms, another batch of cold air coming in. You get the idea. The rest of this month will stay very active and very changeable. And for those of us in the weather office, works for us, keeps us busy. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. Notes on the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. And, of course, we invite you to watch us on television this evening. ABC 3340 News at 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Again, thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.